The lungs are essential organs responsible for oxygenating the blood and removing carbon dioxide, which is crucial for the body's overall function and survival. Proper lung function is necessary for good respiratory health and overall well-being. Protecting your lungs is essential for maintaining good health and preventing respiratory illnesses. So that in this video I will talk about how you can protect your lungs by using 7 most important tips. Before watching the entire video, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Smoking is the leading cause of lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. Quitting smoking is the best way to protect your lungs. Pollutants like smoke, dust, and chemicals can harm your lungs. Avoid areas with high pollution levels and use protective equipment when working with chemicals. Exercise improves lung function and can help prevent respiratory illnesses. Regularly wash your hands, cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, and avoid close contact with people who are sick. Vaccines can protect you from respiratory illnesses like influenza and pneumonia. Keep your home well ventilated and avoid using products that release harmful chemicals into the air. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help keep your lungs healthy. By following these tips, you can protect your lungs and maintain good respiratory health. To enhance my confidence, like, share and subscribe this please. Thank you.